Gramping means it is time to bring together people of different generations through the practice of gramping. Gramping is a term that refers to the practice of grandparents taking their grandkids on vacation with them. This term can be used to refer to trips spent camping, but it is also used to refer to any form of journey or travel that grandchildren spend with their grandparents. Gramping is a term that is often used to refer to locations that are accessible to both younger people and older people, and that also offer a variety of activities that may be enjoyed by both age groups simultaneously. The term gramping is a portmanteau formed by combining the elements of camping and the prefix grand-, which is present in the words grandparent and a grandchild, run. It is constructed similarly to the widely used travel term glamping, which refers to glamorous camping, in which a person packs luxury on a camping vacation. The phrase glamping was popularized in the 1990s.